Dear children, today I will teach you lesson second, page number 13, invention of Muhammad Ghori. Before I taught invention of Muhammad of Ghazni. Now, invention of Muhammad Ghori, look page number 13. Muhammad Ghori was the ruler of Ghor, a small kingdom in Afghanistan. He was an ambitious ruler who too dreamed of a large empire in Central Asia but failed. He invaded India not merely to plunder but also to rule it. By 1190 AD, he captured Peshawar, Lahore, and Sialkot, and also annexed Punjab and Sindh. Earlier, in 1178 AD, he was defeated by Bhimdeva Solanki, the ruler of Gujarat. Now, Muhammad turned to conquer the Gangetic plains, where he confronted Prithviraj III, he ruler of Delhi and Ajmer. Ghori was defeated in the first battle of the Rhine in 1191 AD, but second battle of the Rhine in 1192 AD he defeated Prithviraj. In 1194 AD, he defeated Jaychand, the ruler of Kannauj, who had helped him against Prithviraj. He annexed Kannauj in 1198 AD, appointed Qutbuddin Aibak as governor of the conquered territories in India, and went back to his country. Political development in South India, 7th century to 12th century AD. The region south of the Vindhyas mountains, known as Dakshinapat, is a vast plateau dotted with the forested hill and river valleys. The rugged topography and dense forest led to the development of the culture, which was completely different from that of North India. There is hardly any mixture of culture in southern India. During the medieval period, there was an unprecedented struggle for power among regional kingdoms of the south as well. Deccan Kingdom. The Deccan Kingdom includes the Rashtrakoot, Western Chalukya, Yadavas, Kakatiyas, and Hoslas. Most of these dynasties were feudatories which later became independent. These kingdoms fought among themselves, however, they made rich contribution to cultural development of their territories. We have already read about the Rashtrakutas. The Chalukya of Kalyani were also called Western Chalukyas. Their empire stretched from the Krishna river in the north to Vengi in south in Andhra Pradesh. The Yadavas ruled over Devgiri near Daulatabad in Maharashtra. The Hoslas were founders of the Cholas and the Western Chalukyas. They ruled over Mysore, Karnataka and parts of Tamil Nadu. Their capital was Dwar Samudra near Mysore. The Kakatiyas were feudatories of Western Chalukyas and ruled over Warangal. Kingdom of South India. Pallava, Pandya and Chola were powerful kingdoms of South India. The Pallavas ruled over the plains of the Tamil Nadu with their capital at Kanchi. They were feudatories of the Satvahans of Andhra Pradesh and become independent later. They were great patrons of art and architecture. They got built the Rath temple. In the 9th century, the Cholas defeated the Pallavas and ended their rule. The Pandyas ruled over Madurai. They were a great maritime power. The Cholas re-emerged as a great power in the 8th century because of Pallava-Pandya rivalry. The Cholas, a case study. The Cholas of medieval period are known as the Imperial Cholas. Vijayalaya founded the Imperial Chola dynasty who conquered Tanjore from the Pallavas. His son Parantaka I continued the imperialist policy of his father and captured Madurai after defeating the Pandyas. He adopted the title of Madurai Kottam, that is the conqueror of Madurai. Rajaraj and Rajendra I were the two best known Chol kings. Rajaraj I rebuilt the Chola Empire with an efficient administration and trade policy. He defeated the Cheras of Kerala and the Pandyas of Madurai. He also conquered the northern parts of the Sri Lanka and made it a Chola provinces under the name of Momdi Cholamandalam. He also conquered the Kalinga, Maldives and Lakshadweep Island. He defeated the western Chalukya as well. Rajendra first went a step further and annexed the whole of Sri Lanka. His armies marched up to the Ganga river in the Pala kingdom. He adopted the title of Gangai Kondan and established a new capital town near the mouth of the Kaveri river and named as Gangai Cholpuram. इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट में उसके नीचे देखें, राजेंद्र फर्स्ट हैड ए पावरफुल naval fleet. He sent a naval expedition in 1025 AD to conquer Assyria Vijaya Empire, which include Malaya, Java and Sumatra. The Chola rulers also sent emissaries to China. They were friendly with the rulers of Sailendra dynasty of Sri Vijaya Empire. Later the Cholas fought against the neighboring kingdom and also faced internal conflict which resulted in the gradual decline of their power. Chola administration now next day.